57. He's busy looking at his phone now. Light screen. Get off your phone. Yep. Good luck looking at that phone and not paying attention when you're riding without a helmet. Good luck with that. Stupidity is everywhere, obviously. Shut up. There you go. Have a good one. Oh, this is going to cause a problem. Of course, you're making a U-turn now. Of course. She has no clue what she's doing, this white BMW. You know, you got people going around. Lady, what are you doing? That's nice. The Hunter? Thank you. Okay. Two, three. You know, the number's the same color as the door. Makes it really easy to see. Real easy to see. Look at the street. Freaking awful. The big truck, they're racing up to the stop sign. Thank you. Look at this shit. What kind of a moron leaves us right in the middle of the freaking path? People are incredibly lazy. Already on the wrong side of the road. Yeah, that's good. You could have made that if you just turned the wheel more, you could have made that in one maneuver. Go ahead. There's more than enough room to you turn the wheel all the way. People cannot drive. Interesting. Uh-oh. See how's the traffic looking. Uh-huh. All right. I don't have to deal with any of that shit. Really? That's where you're gonna park? Yeah, they gotta get their Starbucks. And he's busy looking at his phone. They're busy looking at their phone, so they didn't even notice the car in front of them move up. They just continue to block the intersection. Thanks for looking. Have a nice day. Vroom, vroom. You know, just walk across the street without looking for traffic. It's fine. Can we please hit the gas pedal?